Monster Energy Supercross, brought to you by Monster Energy, so go buy it. Monster Energy has now extended its title partnership with Supercross to encompass not just Supercross and Pro Motocross, but also the Super Motocross World Championship through 2025. They are one of the main sponsors for riders, obviously being the title sponsor for the series. What's his name? Dave Gowland, Vice President Motorsports Marketing, Monster Energy, said, quote, Monster Energy Supercross and AMA Pro Motocross Championship are of terrific importance to Monster Energy. Since our partnership began in 2007 and Monster Energy became the official energy drink and title sponsor, we have collectively been promoting and growing the sport all over the world. With that, we are very enthused that Monster Energy will continue as the title sponsor of Supercross through 2025 and will also be part of the newly created Super Motocross World Championship. We are thrilled to be part of it as we watch racers test their skills, conditioning, bravery, and take the sport to an entirely new level, drop the gate, and unleash the beast. Of course, you have to have the marketing tagline in there. And it is kind of cool. As you have to say, they do pump a ton of money into these sports between sponsoring the athletes, being the title sponsor of the whole series in general. I mean, this is what energy drinks are, what cigarettes and beer sponsors were to racing in the 1980s, 1990s. I mean, without Monster Energy, Red Bull, Rockstar, all these people sponsoring full factory teams, you have to say, well, where's all the money, or where would all the money come from? Thankfully, we don't have to think about that because, again, they're expending their contribution, which is great. I think it's awesome, especially now that they're doing all three. It's just going to be one thing, and they can just pump money into the sport and just be, come and get it, come buy it, come help us, whatever. But comments below, tell me what you think. Obviously this is something that's 2025, so that's another, 2 or 3 years. It's not exactly the longest thing in the world, but being that this started in 2007, they've been going for a long time, almost 20 years by the time this contract ends. So in the comments below, you tell me, cool, do you wish that Red Bull would step up and do it, or maybe Rockstar, or some other, maybe Rich Energy, who knows? That's a joke if you follow racing. But anyway, whatever, just comment down below whatever you want. Tell me, do you drink Red Bull? Are you a Monster Energy fan? Are you a Rockstar fan? Again, Rich Energy if you can find it, because I don't think you can actually buy it anywhere. I don't know, Celsius or whatever it is. Just comment something down below. Tell me what you think. Leave a like, subscribe, share, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.